Cloud security issues in the iCertGlobal program. Understanding cloud security is vital for protecting data and apps in the cloud. It includes strategies to prevent unauthorized access. They ensure data integrity and protect sensitive information on cloud platforms. Common cloud security issues. Common cloud security issues include data breaches. Misconfigurations or weak access controls may expose sensitive data to cyber threats. Unauthorized access is a common risk. Cloud computing risks. Cloud computing has many benefits, but it also poses risks that businesses must manage. Key risks include data security and privacy concerns. Sensitive information stored on the cloud may be vulnerable to breaches. Cybersecurity incidents. Cybersecurity incidents are any unauthorized access to information systems. They often cause major financial and reputational damage to organizations. These incidents can include data breaches, ransomware, insider threats, and phishing. iCertGlobal security. The iCertGlobal program certifies and trains in cloud security. It gives professionals the skills to secure cloud environments. Cloud security policies. Cloud security policies can protect data in the cloud. They provide clear guidelines for doing so. Cloud security solutions. Using secure cloud architecture and trusted cloud providers can boost cloud security. Incident response. A good incident response plan helps organizations respond to cyber incidents. Threat detection measures. Proactive threat detection can find and reduce security risks before they cause harm. Access controls. Strict access controls can help prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. Cloud security challenges. Data breaches, network vulnerabilities, and compliance issues can risk cloud security. Cloud infrastructure security. We must secure cloud infrastructure to guard against cyber threats. Conclusion. In conclusion, cloud security issues in the iCertGlobal program are a critical concern. Organizations must address them to protect their data and secure the cloud.